Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with the new release for this week. So this week, for the last, few weeks, we've been doing a lot of embellishment foundation stuff. So things like viewfinders and labels and circles and, different sizes of viewfinders. Now it's time to start making some embellishment finishers, and that's what finishes your embellishment cluster. So this week, and we're only releasing one thing per week. So this week we are releasing arrows. Oh, I absolutely love them. There is some plain arrows, and they're not hard to cut out at all, but if you have a Cricut, I don't know which version because I don't have a Cricut, but it's a PNG file, so you can cut it out. And then I love this size. And then, there's different configuration of the arrow. And then we have a bigger arrow like that. And then we have longer arrows. There's patterns on them. There is just lines, polka dots, and then sort of like an arrow within an arrow. And then the ones at the bottom are a little bigger than the rest, and they all have words like memories, discover, happy, food, adventure, friends, dream, hike, camping, love, fun, yikes, so cool, and family. Let me know if you would be interested. I think we're going to do like a whole page of just words with arrows, because I really love that. I love when you do an embellishment cluster that you use an arrow plus a word. Let's say if if it was the right color, it would say so cool. So if we had a full sheet, then we could make sure that all the colors had the word camp. So then that way it would have more of the colors with the same, using the same word, but different colors. And also just more words that we use in scrapbooking. So let's go through some of the colors. And what I like is we kind of have sort of a theme going on here, because every time that we release something, we do it in the 6 assorted, which I absolutely love. There is, let me find them all here. So there is Cozy Cafe, Summer Carnival, Season Spice, Apples and Oranges. Then we have Radiant Rainbow, and we have one more. Let me find it. And then at first, that's all we were going to do. And then, I would cut and make a few layouts, and then I was like, but I'm running out of a certain color. I must not have printed the last one. It's there. I just didn't print it. Bad me. But there is 6 different ones. And then we have, so that's 6. We have 13 colors. And like I was saying, I was using those. And then I was like, oh, but I don't, once I use a few of the colors, then they're going to have to print the whole sheet again. So I wanted all one color. So then there's brown, there's red, purple, pink, there's dark orange, there's light gray, there's dark gray, there's blue, there's bright orange, there's yellow. I printed turquoise twice because I love turquoise. There's peach and there's green. So I think I printed all the colors. Obviously, I missed one of the assorted. So I'll have to go print that because I do enjoy them. Now, I printed these on cardstock because I basically run out of stickers. But you could also print those on stickers. And then, with your Cricut, you can do the print and cut. And then I think with the Cricut, you can still do half cut. I have a Brother Scan and Cut, so I'm going to cut those when I have the stickers on my brother's Scan and Cut, and then I'm going to turn these into stickers. So this is the release for this week. I just want to say that next week I won't have a video till the weekend of what's going to be released, but I'll tell you right now what it is. It is a 3/8 circle letters in all the colors. And then another reminder is that the files right now are $1.50 till tomorrow, July 10th. And then they'll go back to the regular price of $1.99. The reason that I had put them, 25% off is because we couldn't figure out how to make bundles at a greater discount. So we figured that out. So now everything is in a bundle. So you can get all the files if you want at 30% off. So today will be the last day that the files are $1.50. After that, they'll go up to $1.99. And also my demystifying clustering too, the sale ends today. So I hope that you have an awesome weekend. And also FYI, I wasn't able to film any scrapbook process video. The week kind of got away from me just from, just getting ready for a little mini vacay. And that's it. I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.